Hey everybody, it's DB Garson here. Today is a very. So apparently there is a snowstorm. Here, let me show you. Let me show you this. See, but snow is falling like crazy. You can see a little bit on that lamp. Look, you see the snow falling. That's crazy. It's so much snow. Wow. Storm is already messing up the news. Like, we're watching the news, compare. We're watching the news, and suddenly this happens. It's so weird. It's just snow. Sorry, I'm at the storm. So I just want to make this video to tell you all, my viewers, to be safe. If you live in this area, be safe. Don't go out. And yeah, that's not a subject. Never go. Oh, this is so. Look at this. Look at that. That was super creepy. There he is. Look at his forehead. Let's see. Oh, that was super weird. You see him move? Oh, he's doing. As I was saying, I just want to make this video to tell you all that live in this area of Maryland to be careful right now. I know I'm 14. I should be. Woo! But I'm serious. I saw a car earlier that was the wheels were moving super fast, and the car was going. That's how bad it is. And I just want to say be careful and never go out when it's snow unless they clean the road. So if you live in this area, be safe. Bye. So anyway, that was my exit. Anyway, I'm eating dinner. So there. I just want to tell you that there's a storm here. And I might go outside tomorrow and play in the snow. I don't know. And that's about it. See you in my next video.